Stay tuned for an update on our Nintendo Switch. Stay tuned for an update on our Nintendo Switch giveaway and find out about the amazing new GPS tracker for your dog. Hi YouTube, welcome to DigiTales. I'm Charlie. Today we're reviewing the pet tracking app Findster Duo Plus with my favourite beagle puppy, Bella. There are two modules, one for you and one for your pet, and a mobile app. You simply attach it to your pet's collar to track their location and activity on your phone in real time without any subscription. This can be used on up to 3 pets. The device is made by Findster, the brainchild of Hacks, hardware startup accelerator. It first appeared on Kickstarter in 2016 and raised over $250,000. Findster Duo Plus is now retailing at $139.99 from the Findster store online. The device claims to be shockproof and waterproof. Great for if Bella decides to swim. There's also a rechargeable battery and even has an RGB LED night mode feature. The app is available on Android and iOS. The app is pretty clever. You can revisit past walks and analyse your pet's performance to make sure that they are getting enough exercise. I firstly downloaded the app Findster from the App Store. I then found that the modules wouldn't pair with my phone, so I charged the devices using the USB and white charging socket in the box. The charger is magnetic. I did find that this easily slipped and I had to hold it for most of the time and waited around 30 minutes for it to work. Once paired, the app itself is pretty cool. There's a map to check the location of your pet, an activity tracker similar to Fitbit but for pets, a leaderboard so you can get competitive with other local dogs. A super cool feature is the fence feature. You can track your pup in your selected area, and if they cross the virtual boundary, you'll get alerted. I will probably be needing this one for Bella. Today, we'll be testing the device on Bella Beagle. Bella's a typical naughty beagle. She often wanders off, which can be really worrying, especially in woodland or an open space. Overall, I think that the Findster Duo Plus is a brilliant tracking app. I will probably use it more when I'm out walking with Bella than at home as a monitoring system, and I definitely feel a little bit more confident with her off lead. Hey guys, so here is the Findster Duo Plus. It comes with 2 boxes because these are for 2 pets. So, in the first box, we have the Guardian module. So this is for you to keep hold of. We then have the pet module, which comes with a strap as well. So you clip this onto your pet's collar. We'll have to see later if it stays on Bella's collar or if she decides to eat it. We then have the charging unit. Comes with a USB plug and it's magnetic, so it will just charge the module. The only thing I found with this is, if you see, you can't just let it go, you have to keep hold of it. So this could prove a bit of a problem. In this box you have the other module for the other dog or pet. With help if it came out. And you have the little clip to clip onto the back of this. Clip it securely, and then obviously you'd feed that through. So that's for the other pet, and then you'd obviously put this on the pet's collar. So we have the charging unit here. We can actually charge all 3 modules at the same time. It's magnetic, so it's fairly easy, but you've got to make sure it's on a flat surface so that they charge. So here is the strap to connect to your pet's module. It's quite big, so it can definitely fit around a harness or a collar. So you just feed it through. And you just clip it onto your pet's harness or collar of choice. So we've got treats and my Guardian module, and then Bella has her module on right now. brought Bella to the park with us and we're going to let her off and see where she ends up. As you could see, I've opened up the app and gone onto the map, and Bella Beagle seems to be in the trees over there. So let's go and have a look. So I haven't been able to test if it's waterproof or shockproof as the batteries run out already. So we'll have to do that next time. The only thing I will say is make sure you charge these up, maybe even overnight, so that they can work for you. The one thing I will say is the charger was really fiddly because it's magnetic. That's the only thing I didn't like. So make sure you literally tape the module to the charger and leave it overnight and you'll be fine. Before you go, please remember that the giveaways are only for our subscribers. And the more you share this video, the more tech we will continue to give away. So hit subscribe and the bell icon below and leave a comment letting me know if you're here for the giveaway. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. It's @DigiTalesUK. Please leave me a new comment below and click on the big logo subscribe button over here. And don't forget to click on the bell icon below to get notifications whenever we post new content and competitions. If you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and check out another one of our videos like this one below.